Hello students. Today we are going to learn to construct 60, 30, 120 and 90 degree angles. Let's see what we are going to exactly study. We are going to study the angles of special measures. So first we are going to study to construct an angle of 60 degree. So how to do it? Let's do it together. The step 1. What is the step 1? Draw a line L and mark a point O on it. So let's draw a line and which is L and mark a point O on it. The next step, what we have to do is place the pointer of the compass at O. So where we will place the pointer of the compass? At point O. And what we will do? We will draw an arc. So where we will draw an arc? We will draw an arc of convenient radius which cuts the line PQ. So where we will keep the compass? We will keep it on point O. And we will draw an arc like this. And we will say that point as A. Yes. So next step. What is the next step? With the pointer A, what we have to do? Now draw an arc that passes through O. So what we will do? With the pointer A, we will draw an arc. Where to draw an arc? That passes through O. So what we got now? We got an arc. What we got? We got an intersecting line that has intersecting point. Let's see the next step. Now we will name this point as point B. We will name it as point B and we will join O and B like this. So this is nothing but angle 60 degree. Can you see? It is angle 60 degree. Yes. Now this is what? Angle 60 degree. We have constructed an angle of 60 degree. Let's take another angle now. What is the next angle? Constructing an angle of 30 degree. How should we do it? It is easy. So let's see how to construct a 30 degree angle. So for 30 degree angle, I have an angle which is 60 degree, which is of 60 degree. So angle bisector is what? Which angle? Which divides the angle into two equal parts. So what we will do, this is the point of compass. We will keep the compass on this point B and with a convenient radius, we will draw an arc like this. The next step will be, we'll keep the point of compass on this point. And what we will do, we will draw an arc with a convenient radius. What will be the next step? We will keep the point of the compass on this point and we will draw an arc like this. With the same distance, we'll keep the compass on this point and we will draw an arc. Now, our work is almost done. What will be the next step, students? The next step is nothing but what? We have to join it. So, this is what, students? Yes, this is the point of intersection. This is what? The point of intersection. The next step, joining it. Yes. So what we got? We are constructing an angle of 30 degrees. See, it is angle of 30 degree. Yes. So this is how we have to construct an angle of 30 degree. Isn't it interesting and easy? Yes. Let's see another angle now. Now it is constructing an angle of 120 degree. So, constructing a 120 degree angle, so 120 degree means what? It is nothing but, it is the twice of angle of 60 degree. Isn't it right, students? It is what? It is the twice of angle of 60 degree. Therefore, it can be constructed as follow. So, let's see. What we have to do? The first step, yes, what we have to do is draw any line. So, we'll draw a line PQ and we will take a point O on it. Now, the next step is what? We will place the pointer of the compass. Where we will place? We will place at point O and we will draw an arc. So, how much radius I have to keep? We will keep it at the convenient radius. and we will draw an arc. Where I will draw an arc? We will draw an arc like this and we'll name it as point A. Yes, and what? Name it as point A. Okay, so this step 2 is done. What we did, student? We draw a line PQ and we took the point O on it, and then with the help of compass we draw an arc. Right. Let's see the step 3 now. So step 3 is what? Now keeping the same distance of the compass, which has this distance, what we have to take? We have to keep the pointer of the compass at point A and we have to draw an arc like this. Okay. The next thing, by keeping the same distance of the compass, what we will do? We will keep the compass on point B and we will draw an arc again. So, okay. And the next step, what will be the next step, students? The next step will be just join the lines OC and we will get the angle COA. So, how to draw? Like this. And this is how we get the angle 120 degree. Can you see? 120 degree. Yes. So this is how we construct an angle of 120 degree. Now, let's see another example. Construct an angle of 90 degree. Now 90 degree. Let's see how to do it. So first and the common step, what we have to do? We have to draw a line MN and what we have to do is take a point K anywhere on the line. Now, the next step will be we just have to place the compass at point K and draw the two arcs. Now, where to draw the two arcs? So, we have to draw the arcs on this either side of point K. So, like this. And we will name it as A and B respectively. Okay. The next step. Let's go to the next step now. What will be the next step? We will place the pointer at point A. Where is the point A, students? Yes, this is the point A. What we will do with the convenient distance means what? We have to take the distance of the compass. What? The distance of the compass should be greater than half of the length AB. So, where is AB, students? This is AB. Half of AB is what, students? AK. Yes, perfect. What we have to do? We have to put it greater than half of AB. So that is nothing but more than AK, right? So what we have to do? We have to take the compass and we have to, with the convenient distance, we'll draw an arc again, like this. Then the next will be keeping the compass at point B and again drawing the arc again like this. Okay, and we will name that intersecting point as T. What will be the next step, students? Yes, we just have to connect K and T. So what we have to do? We have to draw a line. This is nothing but what? This is line KT is perpendicular to line MN. Where? At point K. So this is nothing but angle NKT is equal to 90 degree. So students, today we learnt about angles of special measures. I hope you understood the topic.